Crude oil, now we are based on daily chart. We want to analyze the chart for the next week. Okay, as we can see based on daily chart, the price move up and now we have a correction here. Now we want to see whether still we can get the any buy setup from this correction. That means still we can expect the price can move a bit higher and how high it can go. Okay, based on daily chart, just we see a small correction and now we want to see how we can trade it. If you move to forward chart, okay, based on forward chart, what I can see still, yes, we have a correction. And now from based on forward chart, what I can see if the price drop one more, then if we can consider this correction is complete before we look for buy. Okay, that means we are looking for buy from this correction. We want to see whether we can get the buy setup or not. Do we need to look for the sell? I don't think from here, I mean the possibility the price can drop, yes, we have it. Okay, but now we mostly from the correction we see if we can get the buy, we want to trade for buy. Okay, in this case I move to 1 hour chart. Okay, now the question is based on 1 hour chart whether we shall expect the price drop one more, then we consider this correction is finished before we look for buy, or this is the start of the buy. Okay, that means this is the only correction and we have the sharp move correction, we can look for buy. Okay, what I want to see whether the price from here from here we can take the buy, or if the price can drop we get the correction complete before we look for buy. Any buy we get, as long as the price come to this high, we need to start to manage it. Okay, because how about if the price come and break this high, then reverse. All right, in this case. And the second thing I want to say, if the price drop one more, at that time we will have this correction complete, then mostly can give us a better trade and better confirmation that price can break this high and continue. Okay, but anyway, when the market open, if we get any buy setup from here also we can trade it. Now I move to lower time frame, we see how we can trade 15 minutes. Okay, as we can see the price is almost at the top of this correction, and when the market open, if the price from here continue and move higher, we are not going to take the trade, we just leave it, because at that times whether the price can continue and break the high and continue, we do the reversal, or the price can come to this level, drop, give a bigger correction for the next move up. That's why if the price when the market open from here continue, we are not going to take the buy, we just leave it. Okay, at that times if the price come here reverse, then we can look for buy. If continue, we don't have any opportunity to take the buy. Then how we can trade for this correction? If I want to trade only this correction for buy, what I will do is that I will wait and let the price drop one more, then from there I will see how I can trade it, and mostly we need to have entry above that, because I don't think within this range, a small range, we can look for trade setup. Okay, anyway, if I want to trade for this from this correction, I let the price drop one more, then I put my entry above this. Okay, and if I get the trade setup, as long as the price come to this level, then I will start to manage it. This is the first option we're going to trade. And how about if the price from here drop, then as I say, if I move to 1 hour chart, then it can give me better confirmation for the trade setup. That means if the price from here, when the market open, price from here drop is good, then I will have this correction, then from there I will look for buy, and I will have enough time or enough gap to look for the buy setup. This is the second option. And the third option, as I say, how about if the price from here continue and break the high, then we are not going to trade it. That means if the price from here continue, based on lower time frame which I show based on 15 minutes, that means from here continue, if this one come to this high and continue, we are not going to take the trade. But if the price come to this high, then I will wait to one for the next drop. That means if the price drop again, from there I will look for buy. What I want to say that the first option is we look for buy from here. If we get the second option, and third option is whether the price from here can drop before I take the trade, because I will have a different flat. And the last option is we once the price come to this level, we get the bigger flat, drop, bigger flat, we look for buy. And also I need to highlight that the possibility we get the buy within this small correction based on 15 minutes and the price come to this high. That's why I say when the price come to this high, we need to see if there is a continuation, we keep. If not, we take out. Okay, that's mean and also we have this option, we get the buy, price come to this level, cannot continue, we take out the trade, we get one more drop, then from there we can look for buy. Okay, anyway, we just need to wait when the market open, we see what we will get here, whether we get the buy from here or the price can drop before we look for buy, or the price can come to this high, one more drop before we look for buy, because any of them can give me different type of the correction, and it depends how we're looking into this correction. Anyway, we just follow the market and we see when the market open, we see how we can trade it, whether we can get the buy from here or the price can drop before we take the buy, or as I say, we can get the buy, whether we get the buy or not, the price can come to this level, drop or not. Anyway, we just follow the chart and we see how this correction can form and how we can take the trade. It depends, as I explained, and if I get, whenever the market open, if I see any trade set up, then I will share on YouTube. Thanks.